Good morning, Saturday. Look at the grass. It's snow. It's icy grass. Look. It's so cold. This is it. This is winter. Lucky the sun is out, but it was out at 9 o'clock, so we did not get up until 9 in the morning. And you know what? When now Phil's go to bed with his jacket on, and I have two big socks on with pajama, thick jacket. So the tide is out today. This is perfect place for meditation. Ah, ah. That's the duck, lost duck. See the duck? Hey, this one. Usually it's two of them. Go. Now I have an excuse to walk. When I get up, I just go check my birthday tree. Yay, thank you very much, sun. We really need the sun to warm up. Let's go. So nice. I listened to the podcast this morning before getting up. It's about entrepreneur. So it says, the guy said, the famous entrepreneur said that it will take time for you to have the confidence to do what you really want, to start your own business or to start something that you're passionate about. Yeah, it takes time to gather experience and to explore possibilities, and most of all, you gotta save up money first, so yeah, you be confident to leave your job if you want to and start your own business. And you gotta give yourself permission to do it. So yeah, that's the confidence. You have to allow yourself to, or permit yourself to just do it and say, I got this, I can do this. And this is, I think, now what I'm doing. I'm giving myself a permission to just explore possibilities, and yeah, just see how it goes, and no need to stress out about it. Now I'm going to the tree that I planted 2 days ago. Gonna check if it's still okay, because there's lots of poquecos that will forage the roots. They love eating roots. think the juice that they like, the juice of that roots, fresh roots. They eat grass roots, mostly, yeah, roots. Okay, let's stop. Have a look around. Isn't it beautiful when you wake up like this? This is really perfect, guys, in the Philippines. If it's warm, it's just a little bit chilly here. But if it's in the Philippines, it is perfect. If we can buy a place next to the beach, just like this, and it's open to everyone. No need to pay entrance fee, so everyone can relax and chill. Because I really noticed there's no public beaches in the Philippines. If there is, it's not a nice one. It's um it's dirty. Don't know why people take a dump in there. So here we go. Here we go. Let's have a look. Ah, it's still there. Good morning, my tree. That is the Potokawa tree. Hopefully it's gonna grow fast. Looking good. See that? So this is Phil's idea to put these 3 branches around to protect it from the pokeko. Looking good. Thank you. What a beautiful day. You can see the birds. So this is really my plan, guys. If you help, if you support me, it's not really about the money, it's about everyone's support. Because I can do it myself. I can buy a land, I can save up, but I don't want to do it. I want everyone to support, because we all live in this planet and we need to do it together. It's not only about me, it's all about us, all of us, that we help each other to regrow the trees. Because this used to be really lots of trees in here, but because of the farmers, they cut all the trees, and now everyone's struggling to plant it. So these trees here are planted by men, so it's not natural forest, because the farmers cut all of the old trees. So these are the trees that are mostly, most of these trees are just planted. And trees, they don't grow all of them, so most of them will not survive. So people here are really trying so hard to keep planting, keep planting and propagate seeds. So yeah, and look, it's getting better. There's lots of projects here in New Zealand going on. Even in this island, they're trying to plant, I think, 4 million trees in the whole New Zealand. And there's lots of big companies supporting it, because we want to go green, and should be all around the world. It's not only New Zealand, all around the world. Even China, they want to be all green in the next 20 years. Because if the planet is healthy, then people is healthy. Now look at the planet. It's ruined by humans, and now we also sick. Lots of people are sick. it all reflects to all of us. So we want to replant, regrow, and enjoy nature. That's what you call coexist with nature. We don't harm it. We just help the nature to flourish. Because as you know, nature can survive without people. But we people, can't survive without nature. So we have to be very mindful of our actions, especially when we cut trees. Because you know the trees, it will take years to grow. Yeah. Oh guys, look. So every birthday, my mom's birthday, my sister's birthday, everyone's birthday, I can plant trees everywhere here. I already asked someone who look after this place that I will plant trees here, and they said it's fine. Yeah, and I also planted few trees here. I volunteer, which is really good. Look at the birds. You can't see them. They're tiny. Oh, you can't see them. They're cute. See, guys, these are the seeds that they plant for propagating this native. See, he's got the seeds. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.